Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills and how to make money online. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you 7 freelance websites to earn in dollars. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on anytime I upload a new video. So let's get right into this. The first on my list is Fiverr. This is how the interface looks like, and on Fiverr you can offer different kind of skills. You can see here we have graphics design, we have digital marketing, video and animation, writing and translation. You can offer any kind of skill that you want to offer as long as you have that skill and you are good at it. Now you can see that we have a lot of people here who are offering different skills on Fiverr. So Fiverr is one platform that you want to look at because it's also one of the biggest freelancing platform that you can go to. It is very easy to use, very easy to understand. I have a video where I teach about Fiverr, where I talk about how to get started, how to create your first gig and start earning money online. I'll put the link of the video in the description box below so you can watch and understand how to create an account and how to register on this platform. The second on my list is freelancer.com. When you go to freelancer.com, you can see this is how the website looks like. So you can look at how it works. Let's check how the platform works. So now we want to go to how to earn money freelancing. You can see how do you get started. You complete your profile, you browse jobs that suit you, write your best bid, get awarded and earn. So with these 4 simple steps, you can actually become a freelancer on this platform and you begin to make money. This platform is also very easy to use because all you have to do is to follow these 4 simple steps and you automatically get registered on this platform. So check out freelancer.com, see how it works, browse through the platform and you can start making money online. The third on my list is Upwork. This is how the interface looks like, and on Upwork you can offer different kinds of freelancing skills. You can see from sales and marketing, admin and support. So let's click on sales and marketing to see how it looks like. This is how sales and marketing is. You can see there are different kinds of experts here. Upwork is one platform that you want to look into as a freelancer. This platform can make you a whole lot of money. Just look at the platform, know how it works, and you can actually start using this platform. So let's move to the fifth one, which is We Work Remotely. This is one freelancing website I like because all you have to do when you come to the platform, you can see we have different people who have posted their jobs. But you can see this one, accountants. Most of them here you can see USA only, they specify. But for this one now, they said anywhere in the world. So when you see a job like this, you can just click on it. Let's click on this job. When you click on it, then you come here, you apply for this position. That's how it works. Let's move to the sixth one, which is Toptal. Now on Toptal hire the top 3% of freelance talent. But one thing with Toptal, you have to apply as a freelancer. When you apply as a freelancer, you either get approved or you get disapproved. Toptal is one platform that they hire only professionals that they are sure of. When you apply, they review your CV, they check you out before even giving you that job or before even allowing you to start freelancing on their platform. They don't just allow everybody to be on that platform. So this is how it looks like. As a developer, you can actually be on this platform, a designer, a finance expert. So these are some of the skills that you can offer here on this particular website. Let's move to the sixth one, which is guru.com. On this platform, it also has different kinds of freelancing skills. We have the programming and development, writing and translation, design and art, administrative and secretarial. You can see there are different kinds of freelancing skills that you can offer on this platform. So let's move to the seventh one, which is people per hour. On people per hour, this is how the website looks like. Look at so many skills here that you can offer, just like Fiverr and also Upwork. So when you are in people per hour, you can check how the platform works. So let's click on it and see how the platform works. You can see get the most from people. You want to check it as a freelancer, just like Toptal. on people per hour you have to apply. When you apply to be on this platform, you either get approved or you get disapproved. Depends on how you send in your application, because we want to be sure that you're an expert in that field. These are the 7 freelance websites to earn in dollars in my list. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.